I'm ABC 57 meteorologist Monica Ott. Thank you so much for helping us bring your neighborhood into focus. Now, what do we need from you? Well, all we really need are some pictures. And what we're going to do is use them in our ABC 57 First Warning Neighborhood Weather Forecast. So helping us out is very easy. All you need is your camera and a really good spot on a nice day. Right now we are in downtown South Bend, and the only thing you really need to do is pick a spot that is going to be recognizable to folks. That can be a skyline, a historical marker, a lighthouse, maybe even a sporting event. Just things that people will recognize. And the other thing, we do need a little bit of help from Mother Nature. You want to be taking these pictures on a mostly sunny or partly sunny day. Now, why is that? Well, what we're going to do here at the ABC 57 News team is take out the sky and replace it with your forecast. So, how do you get those photos to us? Well, just grab your camera, get your location on a nice day. You're going to want to set up your shot with about a third sky and 2/3 of that skyline. So very easy. We're going to talk about this more in a little bit. And if you do have an area that does have water, you want to have that water in the bottom of the picture. If you do have a tripod, that's great. If not, just try to hold that camera a little bit steady and then just go ahead and snap that picture for us. So we have our picture now of beautiful downtown South Bend, and we did just upload this picture and save it as a TIFF image. Those are the easiest for us to use, but JPEGs work just fine anyway. And when we're outside, we talked about the ratio in the pictures. Here's a little bit easier way to see it. We want usually about a third sky and then 2/3 land and water. And again, what we're going to do with these pictures is actually take out the sky. Sometimes if we do have water, we can set that into motion, and then we'll be able to put in your forecast to these pictures. So as you can see in this picture as well, it works best to have water in the foreground, just so we have a little bit of a vantage point and it doesn't look very weird to see water at the back side of a picture. So if you do have any water, that's the best place to put it. So we'll set this into motion. This is what we're actually going to be able to do with these photos. You notice the moving sky, we'll have the forecast down here, and then we'll be changing it as we go through different parts of the day. I know we did talk a little bit too about twilight images. You see all so far we've been talking about daytime images, and I've been changing the clouds, and a little bit of rain does fall in the end of this, but we can also use nighttime images. And again, the best time for those are about twilight, so that we can just see all of those buildings starting to be lit up. I know it might be a little distracting with all of this rain on there, but that's another fun thing that we can do. But again, you can see a little bit better here. Just after dusk is the best time. So we have a little bit of that sunshine still on the buildings, but it's very, very easy, and it makes our weathercast so much fun. So all you have to do is send us those photos at weather57@abc57.com. Again, TIFF images work the best, but any photo, a third sky, 2/3 land and water, and we cannot wait to see what you come up with.